Are you searching for investing information? Try these ideas. Individuals worldwide are figuring out that putting money in stocks can be a good investment, but only a small number of them are really cognizant of what they are doing. Many people recklessly invest their hard-earned money and end up getting no return for their investment. If you would like to know to make prudent investments, then continue on through this video for some helpful investing advice. Before going to a broker, you should do some background research to make sure you can trust them with your money. Investment fraud is such a disastrous possibility that spending a little time verifying your broker's legitimacy is well worth it. If you are seeking ways to maximize your investment potential, it is important that you set long-term goals and have a plan. Try to set realistic goals in order to have more success in your endeavors. Hold on to stocks for however long it takes to meet your profit goals. Be sure to diversify your investments across a few different areas. You do not want to put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. This is especially true in the stock market. If you purchase stocks in only one company and it fails, you have lost all of your money. If you would like to have comfort with full-service brokers and also make picks yourself, then you should work with brokers who can provide you online and full-service options. This will help you to better manage your stock portfolio. You will have a balance of professional management and personal control over your investment decisions. In order to make your stock market investments the most successful, you need to map out a specific plan with strategies and future goals. The strategies in your plan should be about when you will buy and when you will sell. This plan also need to have a budget clearly defined within it so that you invest only funds that are available. Investments shouldn't be treated as gambles. You want to approach investing with a clear head. A simple investment plan is the best bet for a beginner. Although you may be tempted to diversify quickly, find one method that works well before venturing out into other avenues. You will end up saving a lot of money as time goes by. Avoid investing in too much of your employer's stock. While it is fine to support your company by purchasing stock, you do not want your portfolio to consist mainly of that investment. When you put all your faith in one stock and it does not perform at the level you expected, you can end up losing all or most of your investment as the price of the stock falls or if a company goes out of business. With the tips in this video, you should have a better idea about what stock market investments you should be making. This should help prepare you to get into some investments and work on multiplying your money. You must take a risk in order to succeed, but having a strong investing knowledge will allow you to make sound decisions and turn a profit in the end.